Hey gardener friends, welcome to my New Jersey garden, Zone 7A. It's November 7th today and it's in the 70s, so it's a gorgeous day out today. So I'm enjoying every minute of it. I know it's not going to last though, so I was getting a little sad, like, oh, what, garden season's winding down. But I thought, oh wow, it's pretty cool when people can grow all year round and have a greenhouse, and I don't really have space for that in my I have a small space with tons packed in, so I'll give you a tour a little bit later. But anyways, I thought the next best thing is if I could do like a little hothouse and maybe extend my season a little bit in the beginning and a little bit at the end. So I started thinking about that, and I watched a bunch of reviews on YouTube of people's bought one of those the cheap greenhouses and they blew away or whatever. And I started thinking to myself, wow, like they look really cute, like I wish I could do something like that. And I started thinking, wow, I have my cattle panel arch, which I know won't blow away. I've had cattle panels for quite a few years now, so I know that they last. I just added the three in the middle. I'll give you a little tour in a little bit. But anyways, I thought, I wonder if they sell, instead of just I know I can put plastic on it and do that, so that was an option, which I was thinking about. But then I started thinking, I wonder if they just sell the replacement covers of those little cheap ones, and sure enough they did. So I ordered one and it's getting here today, so I'm really excited. And I thought I would take you along and see how it goes, and I can give you an honest update whether how it did for me and if it worked. Yeah, so tune in. Okay friends, gonna give you a quick garden tour. This is my little corner off the side of my deck that I usually plant cucumbers up, a cattle panel arch, and it's just like a nice place to sit and relax. Okay, here's my little table. Okay, and just a little sitting area, my deck. That little bowl, I usually do salad greens, edible flowers, just something you can just come out quick and just cut a salad. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to show you around. There's my asparagus patch. I started it first in a pot just because I didn't want to commit to the area and to see if it worked well, and it worked great. So now I have a nice plot going over there. I actually thought I seen asparagus popping up earlier. Oh yeah. Okay. It's kind of ferning out. We'll let it fern out over winter. I already did my potatoes, but looks like maybe I must have left some, so some's growing, so I'm gonna wait till they die out all the way and see if I got anything else going in there. Still have some peppers still going, which I'd like to dig up and try to overwinter in the greenhouse, see how that goes. I got a bunch in there, try to take my best ones. Okay, there's like a flower section. These are still, some of my beans still growing. And it's still hanging in there. Okay, so yeah, so here's, see, it's not really big, but I have lots packed in. Check in. Now this is going to be where this is going to be a greenhouse. The cattle panels. I put this foam on here to protect any sharp edges. We're ready to go. Then you can see down here, I'm going to pull all these pots out. These are just pots I collected over the years. People always give me pots that they think they're getting rid of pots. They're like, April. It's funny. I'm grateful though, because it saves a lot. So when we put the greenhouse on, it has the flap on the bottom. So our game plan is to pull all these pots out, dig back the mulch. I got cardboard, and I'm gonna put 2 pieces of cardboard with the flap of the greenhouse in between it, put it in the ground, and then bury it back up. This way it prevents any wind grabbing the tarp and trying to pull it off. That'll be another support thing along with the other stuff I'll show you. Here's some other beds. This is my grapevine. I did good with it this year, but it's it was the 3rd year. This is starting blackberries. I used this old shoe rack, so it is fun to think outside the box. I think that'll be nice. It'll hold them up. I'll be able to weave it in and out. Let's see. Let me just keep adding each year. This is like actually, just all these other beds. This is our little barbecue section. So yeah, so you can see. Let's see. Lots packed in. Let's see. Can you see? All right. I put those pool noodles up there with zip ties because on the side it looked like maybe it was like a little bit lower, and from the videos that I seen, that was like the problem that people were having with their frame, even though this I think is so much better. So hopefully, but I just figured it couldn't hurt. I'm really hoping it fits okay, and but we'll learn. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. Hopefully it'll be here today. This is a whole new section that we added this year. I used to have a fire pit in here, which I'm extending my strawberries over there with. I'll show you. These raised beds we just added, so that's why we have everything in pots, because we just added those. But I think that's going to be great. I'm actually, I don't know whether I'm keeping them in the pots or not, but this is nice for me having this work table out here, so I can work in the garden without dragging everything on the deck. And it's just really, I just love it. So this will be good. And if this works with this greenhouse cover, I'm going to be thrilled. Hey garden friends, welcome back. This is April, and yay, my greenhouse cover came. It came late last night, so it was too dark to put up, so I had to wait till today after work. And I'm so excited. I think it looks pretty good, so now we just got to see how it holds up. So I'll keep you posted on that, see if we blow away or whatever. And let me just give you a little peek. All right. Okay, so here's the inside. I think that's going to be really good. Let's see. Here's the door. Okay. Here's the sides where I told you that I dug up and put the flap between 2 pieces of cardboard and then covered them back up. And also they're like staked down inside. So we'll see. I'll keep you posted. Okay. Okay, so we're having our first issue with the greenhouse already. We have a cardinal in here. Come on. Jeez. All right, I'm gonna back up so she can fly out.